We have organized this competition, trial advocacy. We always organize different moot court competitions to motivate the students to see that the students are attracted towards litigation. They go for more litigation, not for the corporate practice. While I was coming from the airport, I was discussing with Lordship that what kind of initiatives we do take at Bharati Vidyapeeth New Law College, Pune. We do participate in international moot court competition, whether it is Oxford competition or Harvard competition or John Marshall competition. At Chicago, we send the students for international moot court competition. I also mentioned that we have also video conferencing moot court competition with University of Reading and different other reputed universities in the world where the students are from abroad. They were asked to link to India and we had a very beautiful international moot court competition online. Having said all this, but we decided that we have to do something to see that the students go for the trial advocacy moot court competition, but because there is a complaint all the time, whenever the judges come from various places, they say that the best lawyers are not coming to trial courts, they are not coming for litigation, they go only for corporate practice. And the complaint which is given by the student is that when they go to senior lawyer doesn't pay them for 5 years. But in this world of currency, which is currency of knowledge, to say that the senior lawyer doesn't pay is a foolish statement. Senior lawyer gives you the knowledge which you can carry for rest of your life. That itself is currency. Future empires are empires of mind, and who can cash it more than the lawyers? Lawyers have mind and they are going to rule. So when we work with those seniors who have got immense experience, though they are not giving some few currency notes to us, but definitely they are giving to us the knowledge. And therefore, to carry forward this idea that at least go to those temple of justice, not to earn money, but to see that justice is given to the poorest of poor. Make people smile, then you can smile. Earning is easy, returning is difficult. Anybody can earn. Even a person who sits on the road and in front of the temple begs, he earns. If you go to Bombay, the earning of a beggar is lakhs of rupees in a month. Don't be beggar. See that we give something to society. We see that somebody smiles because of my intelligence. And that is the role of the lawyer. And therefore, we have this trial advocacy to see that the people who are poorest of poor, they are given the social justice. And therefore, to motivate this idea, to carry forward this idea, we requested Surana that we want to organize this trial advocacy moot court competition at our law college. And I'm very happy that 20 prestigious teams from various law schools have come. I also welcome them on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth University and Bharati Vidyapeeth. Please put a round of applause for those who have come to participate in this competition. Whenever there is a moot court competition, sir, there is a mood of festival. The mood of festival is because of 3 reasons. One, students are happy because they meet new friends. They make new friends, maybe boyfriend or a girlfriend. We are very happy because we become judges. We call ourselves as judges. We become Supreme Court judge, we become High Court judge, we proclaim ourselves as judge. And the most happiest thing is that we see that the judges of Supreme Court and High Court, they become teachers. And that is the special love and affection that they come and they teach us. That is something which is something new and different. And therefore, teaching from the person who knows law than the person who is studying law is something which is different. And when you get the purest of the pure knowledge, when you get from the judges of these people who come from Supreme Court and High Court, what else you want? This is a treat to all of us. This is a festival for all of us. And life is to learn more and more. The more I live, I think I learn less. And therefore, there is always a charm. There is always a meaningful meeting with all those who are intellectual people. And therefore, this is a platform to share new ideas. And I always say, what Bernard Shaw has said. Bernard Shaw said, if you have an apple and I have an apple, we exchange the apple, you have an apple and I have an apple. But if you have an idea and I have an idea, and if you exchange the idea, you have 2 ideas and I have 2 ideas. And ideas are only today knowledge. Ideas are only innovations. Ideas are only currency. If you have good ideas, if you have innovative interpretational skills, you are definitely going to flourish at wherever you are, whether you are a lawyer, scientist or a doctor. So therefore, this moot court gives an idea of promoting, platform of promoting new ideas. This is one. Number 2, we get a licensing of classroom and courtroom. What happened in Bar Council of India gives only classroom teaching. We give importance to classroom teaching, and when we come to the moot court competitions, which are general moot court competitions, there we have only the argumentarian type of competition where people just rehearse what they have to argue, they memorize and they produce the same. There is no use of intelligence. But in case of trial advocacy, when they are going to examine and cross-examine a witness, they are going to apply their intelligence. and they have to show their intelligence. They cannot get it copied from somewhere else. What has been told in many moot court competition, big firms, they prepare the brief and give, and then the person gets the prize. But in these kinds of competition, which are trial advocacy moot court competition, where you have to judge on yourself, where you have to argue on yourself, where you have to cross-examine and examine the witness, there you need your intelligence, there you show your mettle, there you cannot copy. And therefore, this becomes more and more pure competition. And whatever platform it has been given to you, how you can take it forward. Surana and Surana is conducting North round, South round, West round, Eastern round. There are various rounds, and I have been told that the students who perform best, they have been given cash awards as well as the incentives of being placed at a very big places, maybe litigation firms or maybe non-litigation firms. So this is what the idea when we organized this particular competition. And we wanted that the lawyers who are practicing in the court, they come and they judge this event so that they can understand that the students of law, they know the procedural aspect. Otherwise, what happens is law students becomes only law graduates, but they cannot become lawyer. And when I was reading the definition of lawyer, lawyer means the new definition which was there on the Facebook, Lordship. Today, nowadays, we learn many things from, not from book, from Facebook. And there the lawyer was, a lawyer is a person who learns law by years. You cannot learn law just by passing in the college. Lawyers, law by years. You have to learn throughout your life, then you become a lawyer. And therefore it is said that everybody is a student of law, nobody is master of law. Even if you are a judge or even if you are a master of law, though you are a teacher, but still you are a student of law. And therefore, there is always a scope of learning. Learning is speciality of this profession. And therefore, moot court competition give these ideas. Always take good advice of the people. When they come, they give advice. There was another joke which was there on the Facebook, which was said that I always take advice from my wife because wife is the best lawyer at home. It was a funny joke. And when it was asked to husband, why do you take advice from your wife? The husband said, 99 times she gives sound advice. 99 times she makes sound and 1% she gave advice. And therefore this sound advice which has been given is always taken by me. That is what was the statement which was made by the husband. So what I'm trying to explain is that you get a platform to listen to the people, get new ideas. And particularly the importance is given to the facts rather than the importance given to law. And therefore, we have invited all these big dignitaries. We are having this inauguration program at the hands of Justice Sikri. Tomorrow we are going to have Justice Deepak Mishra, Judge Supreme Court of India, who will be the Chief Justice of India in near future. As well as we are going to have other judges from various high courts. They are going to judge the final round. So it is no more a moot court competition, but it's going to be a real competition. A real competition because the judges are real, they are not false judges. I also welcome those judges who have come from the Pune bar, those who have come from various other law colleges to judge these students, and I'm sure that they will be doing a fair kind of assessment of all these students.